Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about the spoilers for the Slay Glam box for the month of February 2023. So really quick, if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. And if you use code Michelle Martin, you're going to save 10% off your first subscription order. It's not a code that I make any money off. It's just a code to save you a little bit of money for your first subscription. And if you like these types of videos, please make sure that you are giving me a thumbs up because it really helps to push my videos so other people that haven't got a chance to see them get to see them. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. I am like so close to making it to my 1,000 subscribers, and I am so beyond blessed and thankful that everybody is subscribing, and I so appreciate it. But I'm almost there. I was at like 991 this morning, girl, and I'm just like, I'm waiting on my husband to get back home from work because I told him that I would wait to check until he got home so that way he could be with me because, girl, let me just tell you, it's been like nonstop tears around here. I am like so thankful. So I'm just trying to keep it together, honestly, long enough to do this video. It has taken me half the morning to get on here and film because, girl, I cannot keep it together. But I'm going to keep it together for this video. I'll fall apart in my next one when I do my giveaway because I'm going to be doing a giveaway once I do reach my 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited for it. And also, don't forget to ring the notification bell because I am random. I upload twice a week, but I upload on different days. I don't have like a certain schedule, so if you hit the notification bell, it just lets you know when I do upload. Go ahead and grab your coffee and let's get into some spoilers. So, spoiler number 1 for the Slay Glam box, you already know I'm going to start with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. And this is going to be a Laurella Cosmetics palette. This is the Scandal palette. It's an 18-pan palette. It's got some reds, creams, whites, blacks, burgundies, pinks, browns. Like, this is a really cute palette for the month of February. I love it. I think it is a really good palette. Now, we were supposed to get a Rasha B Cosmetics palette. She had some delays from last month, so we were supposed to get it this month. Now, it has just been like so much delay in shipping is why we're not going to be getting it this month. She said it is in transit, but she's like so scared to be like, yes, this is the palette that we're getting, and then it not show up. And she doesn't want to have to delay anything. She's like, so I'm just going to push it back for 1 more month. So that way, you know, she doesn't have to like delay this month's box. So I appreciate that. I'd rather just go ahead and get this palette this month and not have the delay. Even though, side note, I am sad that we're not getting it because I really do love Rasha B Cosmetics formula. It's a really good, high quality formula for eyeshadows. Okay, girl, so spoiler number 2 for the Slay Glam box is going to be a product from Oaklawn Cosmetics. And this is going to be a lipstick. Now we're going to receive 1 of the 12. We're not getting all 12. We're just going to receive 1. So that's pretty nice. And it looks like it does have like a good variety. It has like some nudes, some pinks, some nude pinks, some reds. So I'm excited to see which color I get. Here lately, I feel like I've been trying to, even though it doesn't look like I'm trying to venture out into color, I have a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. So I'm excited to see what color I get. Okay, so for the third spoiler for the Slay Glam box, it's going to be another product from Oaklawn Cosmetics, and this is a wine red eyeliner. And girl, when I tell you this eyeliner is the Bombcom, I literally mean that. Like, this is my favorite eyeliner formula I have tried. And I suck at using eyeliner, but I'm telling you, these eyeliners are like the easiest eyeliners to use. I don't know what it is about them, but I personally just love these eyeliners. And I've been really into like colored eyeliners lately. So I'm glad that we're getting a red one, and it looks like it's going to go with this palette really well. So I'm happy for that. I actually used the black one that we got last month. I think we got it from Ice Cream though, but I'm using the black one today. Okay, so for spoiler number 4 for the Slay Glam box is going to be a product from Manikadar. Now this is going to be a highlighter blush compact. It is so cute. I love the little flower design on it. Super cute. I'm excited to try this. I've never tried a blush or a highlighter from Manikadar, so I'm excited to try it. Okay, girl, for the 5th and final spoiler for the Slay Glam box is going to be another product from Manikadar, and this is their eyelash and mascara set. And I think that's pretty cool that we're getting an eyelash curler with the mascara. I'm always down to try a new mascara. I love trying new mascaras. I haven't used a regular eyelash curler in so long because if you know, you know, girl. I love my heated eyelash curler. But yeah, I'm excited to try just like a regular one again. I haven't used one, like I said, in forever. So I am excited, and I'm going to have to say that I am most excited for the eyeshadow palette, and I really am excited for the eyeliner. So as always, let me know what you guys think about the products down in the comments. I love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!